If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe our channel for future updates. In this video we are going to show Tally web-based report with charts. Log in here and you will be redirected to reports. This is sample reports customized for Tally. We can customize according to requirements. You can select any Tally company and their financial period. Here is complete balance sheet with chart. Dashboard with chart. Dashboard 3D chart. Company receivable aging report with chart and complete data. Tally web-based approval matrix. On this report, entries can approve or reject. Entry can have attachment for references. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe our channel for future updates.